my 34th video from the eShop web project development series. So in this video, we'll be programming our invoice page. So we'll go to our invoice page when we purchase a product. So in my previous video, we talked about how to purchase a product and how it will be saved in our invoice page. So now let's move on to see the programming parts I have done in my invoice page. So let's begin. So now I'm going to purchase a product. Let's purchase this. Okay, let's purchase this G-Shock smartwatch. So now I'll buy it, and I'll also give a quantity this time. So I'm going to purchase 3 products at once, and I'm going to buy it. Yes, so the total amount has come, and now as I'm paying with Visa, I'll give my name as Vinudhi and the credit card as and I'll give my credit card number as this, and I'll give the CVV as a random 3-digit number, and I'll give the expiry date as 12/25, that means December 25th. And now I'll pay. Payment approved. So let's wait and see what happens. Okay, so now I have arrived to my invoice page. So y'all can see that this is the 13th product that I have purchased now. So the product ID has been come over here, and over here I have added my eShop network branch or the address, and over here I have added the invoice too. So for this option, I have taken the details from my profile page. So I gave these options in my profile page. So those data has been appeared over here. So inside this table, I have given my product ID and the unique ID of my product, and over here I have given the product title, unit price. So this price is the price of one product. So as I have purchased 3 products at once, then the total has become this. So then this is the subtotal, and with the delivery fee, I have given it as 120, and the grand total with this delivery fee and expenses, I'll get this price. So this will be my grand total, 27,120 rupees. So over here I have given a notice as purchased items can be returned after 7 days of delivery. An invoice was created on a computer and is valid without the signature and seal. Okay, so let's move on to see the backend codes I have given for this invoice page. Okay, so let's begin from our single product view. So over here I have given the quantity input. So that's how I can add like multiple products at once, and pay now on click. And we talked about this pay now on click, and it takes us to our buy now process over here. So in my script, y'all can see that I have given some some variables as OBG meal amount, and in my buy now process, y'all can see that I have made some values over here. So in my script, y'all can see over here, I have made a function as save invoice. So I have taken these data, order ID, mail amount, and quantity. So then I have made a form as I'm sending these details in this post method. And over here, I have appended those values to new values over here. So then I have sent these details in the post method. And over here, I have made a XML HTTP request, and the window.location should be the invoice.php. And for the ID, I have given the order ID. And I have sent these details in the post method to my save invoice.php. So let's see what I have done in it. So these are the codes I have given for the save invoice.php. So inside this PHP script, I have started a session and given a require for my connection.php. And inside this if block, I have checked whether a $session new is available. And then I have taken the values I append in my JavaScript site, and I have assigned them to new variables inside this code. Then I have made a result set as with a database search as select all from product where the ID is equal to $PIG we made over here. And over here I have made the current quantity as product data quantity, and $new quantity is assigned to $current quantity minus the quantity. So this is how we made the new quantity. So next I have made an update inside this IUD as product set quantity to $new quantity. So the quantity should be equal to our dollar quantity, where the ID should be equal to $PID. So then over here I have coded the date time, and over here I have made the updating part. So insert into invoice according to these values, order ID, date, total quantity, status, product ID, and user email, where the values are equal to these values we made over here. So this is how our save invoice works. So let's move on to see the invoice. Okay, so we talked about the design of this invoice page in my previous videos. So let's see the programming parts I have done in it. So over here inside my body, I have made a PHP script, and I have included my header and given a require for my connection.php file. And I have given an if block to check whether $session new is available, and then $umail should be assigned to $session new email, which stands for user email, and $OID, which stands for order ID, should be equal to the ID we got from our get method. So a person who has signed in only will be able to view this design. Okay. So over here I have made on click to print this invoice. So if we move on to our script to see what I have done in it, over here I have given yes, so please wait. Yes, so over here I have given to print my invoice. Yes, so over here I have given the function to print my invoice. So these are the codes I have given for it. So back to our code. Yes, invoice.php, and let's move on to see the others I have done. So inside this, over here I have given an invoice too. So I said there when we were talking about this invoice design that the details I have given when the person is signing in or updating the profile will be viewed in this invoice too. So if the person has given a city or address, then that address will be viewed in this invoice too. So over here I have given a PHP script. Inside that I have made a result set with a database search as select all from user has address where the user email is equal to $umail. So inside this result set, I have checked with I have taken the data or the user address where the user email is equal to the umail. So it should be according to the user who purchased the product. So then over here, I have added my options, $session new F name and L name. And over here, I have added my address line 1 and 2 and the user's email over here. And over here, I have made a result set for my invoice. And over here, I have added the ID of my product and the date time. So we made this date time in my save invoice page. And over here, I have added another PHP script. So over here, I have made a result set from my products. So inside this, I have selected all from product where the ID is equals to invoice data product ID. And I have taken the data of it. And over here, I have added those as my options. So likewise, the title, price and the total quantity has been added. And over here I have made another PHP script where I have made a result set for my city, and I have taken the data of it, and over here I have assigned a null value for my delivery. So if the city data or this city data district ID is equals to 1, then my delivery should be equals to the product data delivery fee Colombo. So if not, then my delivery should be equals to product data delivery fee other. Okay, so next, over here I have added the subtotal. So over here I have echoed $G, and over here I have echoed the delivery fee as $delivery, and over here I have echoed as $T. So let's see what I have done in this $T and delivery and $G. Okay, so over here I have made $T should be equal. So this total should be equal to the invoice data total. And then $G should be equals to $T minus $delivery. Okay, so I have added those as my options. So these are the codes I have given for this invoice.php. So I hope you all understood what I explained. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. So thank you. Have a nice day and bye.